Hi, in front of me I have BLACKVIEW A80 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to enter the recovery mode on this device. First, we need to turn off our phone. To do it, let's press and hold the power button. Then tap on the power off option and tap OK to confirm. After the phone turns off, we need to press and hold the power button and volume up button together. And when this menu appears on the screen, you can release both buttons. Now, to move through this menu, use the volume up button, like this, select the option called recovery mode, and press volume down button to confirm. When this screen appears, we need to press and hold the power button, and then press volume up button to continue. So let's press and hold power, and then press volume up, like this, and you should enter the recovery mode. To move through this menu, use the volume up and volume down buttons, like this, and to confirm the selections, press the power button. In this menu, we have options like Reboot System Now, Reboot to Bootloader, Apply Update from ADB, Apply Update from SD card, Wipe Data/Factory Reset, Wipe Cache Partition, Mount/System, View Recovery Logs, Run Graphics Test, Run Local Test, and Power Off. To exit this menu, you can select Power Off option or Reboot System Now, depends if you want to turn off your phone on Reboot it to System, and then press the power button to confirm. And that's how you enter the recovery mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.